In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to your Wix website. This process is a straightforward way to integrate payment solutions and is essential for anyone looking to enable transactions on their website. So let's dive in and walk you through each step. First, you'll want to navigate to your Wix dashboard. This is essentially the command center of your website, where you can manage everything from site settings to payment solutions. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the left-hand menu and find the option labeled Settings. Clicking on this will direct you to a new page with various configuration options available. The next step involves your payment settings. Within the Settings menu, there's an option called Accept Payments. Select this, and it will bring you to the payment options that can be integrated into your site. Here you'll find various potential payment solutions for your online store, but our focus today is on Stripe. As you work your way further into the settings, keep an eye out for a link that says See More Payment Options. By clicking on this, you open up a full array of available payment methods that you can potentially use on your site. When you see View More, make sure to click on it, as it will expand the list and reveal additional payment providers. Now, scroll through the list until you find Stripe. It's a popular and robust payment processor that fits seamlessly into the Wix platform. Once you've located Stripe, select the option to Connect. It's worth noting that connecting Stripe requires you to have a premium plan with Wix, so ensure you've upgraded your account appropriately beforehand. After you've clicked on Connect, you'll be redirected to Stripe's connection page. Here you have to enter your Stripe account details. If you don't have a Stripe account yet, you will need to create one. This involves providing some basic information and confirming your email. If you already have an account, simply type in your Stripe email and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Once you have completed these steps and Stripe and Wix are officially connected, your website will be capable of processing payments via credit card, using Stripe as the payment gateway. This integration is not only seamless, but also secure, ensuring both you and your customers have a reliable transaction experience. And there you have it. That's how you connect Stripe to your Wix website. With these steps, you can now start accepting payments, allowing your business to expand its online transactions efficiently. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this video helps make your website management a bit easier. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on running your online presence.